Thermoforming is a process where plastic is melted into a selected shape. This always involves a mold where either the material is melted into it or the material is melted onto the mold. There are two types of thermoforming, male/positive or female/negative. Male thermoforming is where you have bigger sheets of plastic, but female thermoforming is when you have smaller sheets of plastic. You can also use vacuum and pressure to get the desired shape.
Control, so all end products are the same. You can mass produce items and don't have to worry if they're defective. The process is suited for recycling, which makes it energy efficient. Objects made out of plastic are strong, lightweight, colorful, heat resistant, and easy.
Thermoforming can help us make various products. For example, it helps make boats, track foam KVH, and clamshell packaging. Connor had a concussion and he had to get a CT scan. Nicole had an MRI because of a fractured growth plate in her foot. Owen plays the trumpet, and to carry it around he uses a case. And I travel every April to Disney by plane. However, everyone uses thermoforming in different ways. Watching our Amp It Up video, and a special thanks to these people who helped us throughout this process.